ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಗಣೇಶಾಯ ನಮಃ. ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ನಾರಾಯಣೀಯಂ. ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಯ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣೇ ನಮಃ. ದಶಕಂ 25. ನರಸಿಂಹ ಅವತಾರ ವರ್ಣನಂ. ದ ಇನ್ಕಾರ್ನೇಷನ್ ಆಸ್ ನರಸಿಂಹ. ಭಾಗವತ ಸ್ಕಂದ 7 chapters 8 and 9 are summarized in this dashaka. ಸ್ತಂಭೆ ಘಟ್ಟಯತೋ ಹಿರಣ್ಯಕಶಿಪೋಃ ಕರ್ಣೋ ಸಮಾಚೂರ್ಣಯನ್ ಆಗೂರ್ಣಜ್ಜಗದಂಡಕುಂಡಕುಹರೋ ಘೋರಃ ತವಾಭೂದ್ರವಃ. ಶ್ರುತ್ವಾಯಂ ಕಿಲ ದೈತ್ಯರಾಜಹೃದಯೇ ಪೂರ್ವಂ ಕದಾಪ್ಯಶ್ರುತಂ ಕಂಪಃ ಕಶ್ಚನ ಸಂಪಪಾತ ಚಲಿತೋಪಿ ಅಂಬೋಜಭೂರ್ವಿಷ್ಟರಾತ್. ವರ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ವರ್ಡ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್. ಸ್ತಂಭೆ ಘಟ್ಟಯತಃ, who was striking at the pillar. Hiranyakashipoho, of Hiranyakashipu. Karno samachurnayan, splitting the ears. Agurnajjaga dandakunda kuharaha, which made everything inside the vessel of Brahmanda tremble. Agurnat, shaking severely. Jagadandam, Brahmanda. Kundam, vessel. Kuharam, inside space. Goraha, frightening. Tava ravaha, abhut, was thy roar. Purvam kada api ashrutam kila, which had indeed never been heard before. Yam shrutva, hearing which. Daitya Raja Hridaye, in the heart of the Ashura king. Kashchana Kampaha, an indescribable trembling. Sampapata, arose. Ambojabhuhu, api, even the lotus born Brahma. Vishtarat, from his seat. Chalitaha, was shaken. Or Vishtarpat, from Satyaloka. Full meaning. Thy frightening roar split the ears of Hiranyakashipu, who was striking at the pillar, and made everything inside the vessel of Brahmanda tremble. On hearing this noise, which had never been heard before, an indescribable trembling arose in the heart of the Ashura king. Even the lotus-born Brahma was shaken from his seat, Satyaloka. Om Tat Sat.